Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 8. The name of the unit is Fire, Friend and Foe. So, in this unit, what happened? I am going to tell you the story, whatever happened in the chapter. So, early man did not know about fire, yet he must have seen natural fires like lightning and volcanoes. What? Lightning and volcanoes. He must have felt frightened by them. What? He must have felt frightened by them. It must also have puzzled him. What? Must have puzzled him. Today, however, we know that fire is a chemical reaction. What? Fire is a chemical reaction. Three things are needed to cause a fire. How many things? Three things are needed to cause a fire. These are oxygen. What? These are oxygen, a fuel containing carbon and hydrogen and some heat. Okay? Then the energy is released in the form of heat and light. What? The energy is released in the form of heat and light. This is called fire. What? This is called fire. Fuel is available in many forms. Fuel is available in many forms. Wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol are some example of fuel. The fuel causes fire in the presence of oxygen when it is heated. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it burns. This temperature is called the flash point. What? The temperature is called flash point of that fuel. Okay? In modern life, we use fire in many ways. In modern life, we use fire in many ways. It cooks our food, warms our homes, and produce electricity. However, it is only the controlled fire which serves us well. When the fire goes out of control, like this, it becomes a bad master. What? It becomes a bad master. Each year, many homes and shops are burnt by fire. What? Many homes and shops are burnt, means damaged by fire. Fire destroys forests and kills human beings. Okay? Destroy. Hundreds of people are killed or injured through fire. There are three ways to control or put out an uncontrolled fire. How many ways? 3 main ways can be controlled or put out an uncontrolled fire. We know that fire needs oxygen, fuel and certain temperature. What? Fire need what? Oxygen, fuel and certain temperature. If we can remove or lessen any of them, the fire can be put out or controlled. Put out or controlled. The first way, therefore, is to remove the fuel if possible. However, it is not always possible. In that case, we should try to prevent oxygen from reaching the fire. Thus, small fires are put out with a damp blanket or a sack. Carbon dioxide can also put out a fire. What? Carbon dioxide also put out a fire. What? Extinguish fire. It is so because it does not let oxygen reach the burning material. The third way of putting out a fire is to remove the heat. Bring the temperature below the flash point and the fuel will stop burning. This is often done by spreading water. What? Spreading water. But in case of fires caused by oil or electricity, water can be dangerous. When we blow on a burning candles, what? When we blow on a burning candle, it goes out. This is an example of putting out a fire by lowering the temperature below the fuel's flash point. What? Flash point. Our blowing brings down the temperature of the hot air around flame. Then, when it is below the candle's flash point, the candles goes out. Spreading water is not a good way of putting out an oil or an electrical fire. If we spray water on an oil fire, it goes on burning. Okay? It goes on burning. The flowing water and oil only spread the fire. What? Only spread the fire. We should not pour water on an electrical fire also. In doing so, we may receive an electric shock and get killed. Carbon dioxide is the best thing to fight an electric fire. Today, we can do a few things to prevent fire at home and in the school. What? Fire. Prevent fire at home and in the school. While constructing our buildings, we should leave space between them. What? We should leave space between them. It will reduce the fire risk. Every new home or school or any public place must observe fire prevention norms. So students, this is the story of this unit. Which unit? Unit 8, Fire, Friend and Foe. Thank you for listening me. I am going to tell you this story in Hindi in next class. Thank you.